Hello, boys and girls. Now it's time to learn the new sound, ah, 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 ah. Let's take a look at our sound card. What do we see? I see the b, o, y, sleeping. Are the lights on or the lights off? Now let's sing our great song. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. The O is a really easy one. It's just a little circle. We just stay around like a perfect little donut. Around, 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 up and close it. And the mommy and daddy O, it's just the same. It's in the two lines. It's very big. This one's like a pizza and this one's like a donut. I think that you know a couple words that start with o, like aw, on, and aw. This one's a bit tricky because we have two f's. On, off. Great job!